Welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Kitchen. Well, today we are going to make a super duper, whatever. Welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Kitchen. Well, today we are going to make a super duper quick recipe which is known as amras, and the main ingredients is the king of fruits, that is the aam. So let's check the recipe quickly. So firstly, we are taking 2 mangoes. I have used the organic Alfonso mangoes. It's green from the outer part, but then the inner part is absolutely very sweet. And I've soaked them in water so that all the gum or if there is any chemicals used on the peel of the mango, it gets washed out. So I'm just soaking it for a few minutes in the water. So firstly, let's take a blender and add all the mango in the blender. So here, this is how I'm scooping. You can take a spoon and just scrape the mango in the blender, not leaving any part of it. And then we'll add some sugar only if required and little milk, and then we'll blend it. And now y'all can just see the fun coming up soon. So I've just left the blender, and I believe it must be happening in many homes with most of us. You can see this. They say, Nazar hati to durgatta ghati. And this is what exactly happened with me. And it was all over a mess with the blender, which I had to clean during this shoot. Now let's take a bowl and add some atta, which is the wheat flour, adding a pinch of salt and some ajwain for the puris. We'll be making the dough and we'll quickly make it. We'll also add some oil. Now here I'm taking a kadhai, adding some oil and keeping it to heat. Meanwhile, I'll be making small balls for the puris. As I said, I already added some oil in the atta as well. So I'll be just rolling it into some small puris. So we add ajwain for some nice flavor. And so you don't have to heat the oil completely. Once it heats, you keep the burner on a low to medium flame and then add the rolls, whatever you have prepared, into the oil, and this is how it turns to. So you need to fry it well, otherwise it remains kacha from the inner side. So this is how we would fry the puris. Well, so here's the amras and the puri, and this is how it looks. Let's take a bite. Puris have turned crispy and crunchy. And let's try the amras. Well, it's very easy and quick to make. So even if you are going to your office or school, you can definitely carry this. And it really tastes yum. I think I can have this anytime, any part of my day. And you can also have just the amras and it tastes delicious. Well, I hope you have loved today's recipe. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Soulful Sharon, and do hit the like button, share and comment as well. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know. Do leave your feedback as well. And stay tuned, I'll be posting more and more recipes soon. And till then, do take care, be happy and stay safe. Bye-bye.